Hi, and welcome to another presentation from your business tutor, learning your way, anytime, anywhere. The effective distribution of raw materials, inventory and stock is vitally important for the smooth running of business in a global economy. This is why today's presentation is so important, as it is logistics management that ensures items get to where they are meant to in an expedient and cost-effective way. So what are we going to learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we're going to find out what logistics management is, and then we're going to investigate the factors that influence the logistical methods used. Okay, let's get started by asking, what is logistics management? Logistics management refers to the transportation and distribution of inventory throughout an organisation's supply chain, with the aim of ensuring stock arrives in the right place at the right time in a cost-effective manner. Given the benefits this can offer a business, it is important that informed choices are made when it comes to logistics management. So with that, let's ask the question, what factors should a business consider when selecting logistical methods? The first issue a business will consider when distributing inventory or products is what method of transportation should be used. For example, if an item is being moved locally or nationally, it is more than likely that road transportation in the form of a lorry or van will be used. This is because distribution by road allows inventory to be moved quickly, but also means stock can be delivered directly to a customer's door, which is hugely convenient. In fact, lorries and vans also offer huge flexibility because they can be adapted to transport lots of different types of products, from ones that need refrigeration all the way through to liquids. However, although bulky heavy items can be moved by road, sometimes a better option is using a train, as they are more able to move such items easily and cheaply in an environmentally friendly way. Nevertheless, given distribution by rail is unable to provide direct delivery, vans and lorries will be needed to move inventory onwards from railway stations to their final destination. In fact, this is an issue that also affects distribution by air and sea as well, meaning effective scheduling will have to be in place to ensure onwards delivery from transport hubs happens smoothly. Even so, although this is an issue, sea and air delivery are incredibly useful for international distribution. For example, around 90% of international freight is carried by sea in massive tankers that are able to transport huge amounts of products in a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way. However, as delivery by sea is slow, sometimes air transportation is used for items that are perishable or which are needed as an emergency, because air delivery is quicker, even though it is more expensive. Given all this, it can be seen that a huge number of things, including cost, the item being distributed, speed of delivery and the environment, all need to be considered when moving inventory. However, even once all those factors have been weighed up, a business will also need to decide which organisation it is going to use to transport their inventory. Now, in some circumstances, especially when distribution is local or national, a business may decide to do this itself. However, if international delivery is required, or an organisation does not have the capacity to do its own transportation, it may use an external source. If this is the case, a number of factors will have to be taken into account when deciding which distributor to use. For example, as well as looking at how much a delivery firm will charge, a business will also consider how reliable that distributor is so that items arrive when they are meant to and in good condition. In fact, given the importance of inventory arriving when scheduled, a business may also want a distributor who is able to offer online tracking so that deliveries are easier to plan for. This can be especially important when items require to be transferred from one method of transport onto another, as time delays caused by lorries having to hang about at a port for a ship to arrive would be expensive. And finally, as speed of delivery can be crucial in overcoming emergency or unexpected situations, a business will also want a distributor who can deal with such issues effectively. As such, a business will look for a delivery firm that not only has a short lead time, but one which has the ability to compress it further when required. Okay, so what did we learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we found out what logistics management is. And then we went on to investigate the factors that influence the logistical methods used. Effective distribution and delivery are vital components in an organisation's success, as they are the elastic that keeps a business's supply chain running smoothly and freely. In fact, as has been found out by many organisations before, when their logistics management breaks down, so does their business.